Electrofusion is a method of joining polyethylene pipes using fittings with integral heating elements. Sockets join pipes to pipes. Saddle fittings are used for pipe offtakes. There's also a wide range of transition fittings for connections to threads and flanges. As the electrical current passes through the wire of the heating element, the fittings and pipe surfaces melt, generating pressure and forming a completely homogeneous weld between the two. Fusion indicators are forced to rise, indicating the welding process has occurred. After cooling, proceed with the next joint or fitting. Correct handling and cleaning of pipe and fittings is essential for successful electrofusion welding. Fittings are packaged in a protected plastic bag and should remain packaged until ready for use. Store fittings in the shade. The plastic bag can be used to hold the fitting during installation to prevent contamination. Avoid any possible contamination of the prepared surfaces. Do not touch the inside of the fittings or scraped pipes with your hands. To clean dirty scraped pipes or fittings, remove any excess dirt with a clean cloth. Then clean thoroughly with Plasson pipe wipes and allow to dry. Make sure fittings and pipes are thoroughly dry before welding. Successful joining is achieved by following these steps. Pipe ends must have a square, even cut. Remove any burrs or shavings from the pipe ends. Clean the ends inside and out with Plasson pipe wipes to remove any dirt or contaminants. Measure and mark the pipe ends at the proper stab depth equal to half the fitting length plus 20 millimeters. Check pipe for ovality and diameter. The maximum gap for concentric pipe is 1% and 2% for eccentric location. Excess gaps can cause problems during the weld cycle, short circuits resulting in overheating. Re-rounding tools are needed to correct excess ovality, which can stop the pipe entering the fitting. Use a rotational scraper to reduce oversized pipe. Use the correct scraping tools. Rotational scrapers do the best job. Scrape pipe and spigot ends on fittings up to the measurement mark to remove all oxidation and contaminants. Remove any dust with Plasson pipe wipes and allow to fully dry before proceeding. Do not touch the inside of the fitting or scrape pipe with your hands. Remove the plastic bag from the fitting and slide the fitting onto the pipe until the pipe end meets with the stops in the internal diameter of the fitting. Check measurement mark for proper stab depth. Now repeat these steps for the opposite end of the coupling. Next, place the assembly into the proper clamp tool to stop pipe movement and ensure correct alignment. Block the pipe ends to stop wind blowing through the pipe. In dusty conditions, welding should be carried out in a welding tent. Making sure the generator is suitable to operate the electrofusion control box with a nominal 240 volts AC and 40 to 70 Hertz. The control box must only be switched on after power has been supplied to the box and the generator has stabilized. Now with the fitting properly clamped, follow the operating instructions supplied with the Plasson Fusomatic control box to complete the welding process. Allow the fitting to cool for the required time before moving, pressurizing, or tapping. To fit the Fusomatic 9630 style saddle or branch saddles, first clean the pipe with pipe wipes. Next, mark an area on the pipe at least 150 millimeters in length where the saddle is to fit. Scrape the pipe surface to a depth of about 0.3 of a millimeter. Re-clean with Plasson pipe wipes and allow to fully dry. Do not touch the inside of the fitting or scrape pipe with your hands. Remove the saddle from the bag and fit to the scraped clean pipe surface. Equally tighten nuts until the saddle makes firm contact. Finally, carry out the welding process following the operating instructions supplied with the Plasson Fusomatic control box. Allow to cool for the time shown on the fitting label before tapping or pressurizing. After fusing and allowing time to cool, insert the hex key via the white sleeve, making sure that the white sleeve is in position by pushing and twisting it. Carry out the pressure test with the hex key in place. To make the tapping, turn the hex key clockwise until the sleeve shoulder reaches the upper surface of the barrel. To withdraw the sleeve, turn the key anti-clockwise until the cutter reaches the upper stopper. Remove the hex key and then the white sleeve by twisting. Tighten the cap until it's firmly locked. The cap can now only be opened with a pipe wrench. Here's why Plasson Fusomatic, incorporating dynamic monitoring, is the best system for electrofusion welding of polyethylene pipes. Plasson Fusomatic fittings use an automatic weld time recognition system to avoid operator error. And only one weld time suits from -10 degrees centigrade to +45 degrees centigrade. So no temperature compensation is required, no guessing or calculations required, no tables to read from. And Plasson Fusomatic fittings meet the most demanding technical requirements. A range of fittings to suit SDR11 to 33 PE pipes. And is the only QAS standards mark license system for EF fittings. Plasson Fusomatic welding control boxes, used in conjunction with Plasson Fusomatic fittings, provides the only available system with dynamic monitoring. This is a unique system in which the control box continually checks the current flow through the Plasson fitting coil and stops welding if the current increases more than 15% for more than 3 seconds. An error message, interturn shortcut, is then displayed. Dynamic monitoring effectively avoids overheating and antioxidant depletion of the PE material, which will adversely affect the long-term weld integrity, and ensures these problems are detected and not buried with the pipeline. Dynamic monitoring can detect and stop welding if the following assembly faults are made: short insertion, oval pipe, pipe not cut square, pipe from coil not inserted square, pipe moves during weld process, electrical fault in the fitting, pipe excessively scraped, pipe damaged by gouging, fitting damage through forced insertion of oversized or oval pipe. Backed by the most comprehensive range of welding equipment and servicing centers Australia-wide, Plasson Fusomatic polyethylene welding systems offer an unmatched range of significant long-term benefits for pipeline owners looking to the future and specifying Plasson Fusomatic as part of their technical requirements. To do the job right, you need the right tools and equipment. So we've developed them for you, with everything you need to help create the perfect PE weld every time. Pipe cutters come in 2 styles, the 63mm straight cutter and the rotational pipe cutter in 3 sizes. There's also a guillotine pipe cutter for pipes up to 225mm. After cutting comes cleaning. Plasson pipe wipes are specially formulated for use in electrofusion jointing. To scrape pipes, providing uncontaminated surfaces for electrofusion welding, a range of scrapers is available, from the hand scraper to rotational scraper tools for pipes up to 500mm. The universal mini clamp suits all pipes from 16 to 32mm. The maxi clamps, available in sizes from 40 to 63mm, are robust, lightweight and quick and easy to use. They also promote re-rounding. Until now, clamping systems generally involved heavy metal clamps, many liners and a system requiring the base to be inserted below the pipes. Inconvenient, unwieldy and expensive. Plasson are now introducing the strap clamp, a convenient flexible system for clamping and aligning PE pipes during the electrofusion process. A centrally located adjustable knuckle allows it to be used for elbows and reducers, as well as couplers. The adjustable strap fits all sizes with extremely easy adjustment. Suitable for straight couplers, the SC500 clamp has simple adjustment to suit all pipe sizes. For overlized pipes, a range of re-rounding tools is available for sizes from 16 to 250 millimeter. For squeeze-off of polyethylene pipes, a range of squeeze tools is available for sizes 16 to 355 millimeters. All these tools are available from your authorized Plasson Electrofusion Systems distributor.